हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू जीके एडू जोन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं असम एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन के लिए जनरल नॉलेज से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए आज की इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। इन व्हिच ईयर आरबीआई वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड? एंड द आंसर इज 1935. So here the right option will be none of the above. Who was the first woman chief minister in India? And the right answer is option B, Sucheta Kriplani. In which year NABARD was established? And the right answer is option B, 1982. Who is the current Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? And the right answer is option A, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar. Who is the current Agriculture Minister of Assam? And the right answer is option A, Atul Bora. Who is the present Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court? And the right answer is Sudhanshu Dhulia. In which district Assam Agricultural University is located? And the right answer is option A, Jorhat. Which town is also known as the Manchester of Assam? And the right answer is option B, Shualkuchi. Who was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? And the right answer is option C, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Which is the newly formed district of Assam? And the right answer is option B, Bojali. Which of the following is a Rabi crop? And the right answer is option D, wheat. Which of the following is a Kharif crop? And the right answer is option B, rice. Which of the following is a jade crop? Right answer is option C, pumpkin. Silent Valley National Park is located in option A, Kerala. Which place is called Tea Garden of India? Right answer is option C, Darjeeling. Which place is called Nabadvip of Assam? Right answer is option B, Nolbari. Bharatnatyam is a dance prevalent in which state? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Kathakali is a dance prevalent in which state? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Right answer is option B, Lord Dalhousie. Who introduced the local self-government in India? Right answer is option D, Lord Ripon. Earth Day is celebrated on April 22. National Voters Day is celebrated on January 25. In which layer of atmosphere ozone is found? Right answer is option B, stratosphere. In which layer of atmosphere aeroplane fly? And the right answer is option B, stratosphere. In which layer of atmosphere meteors burn up? Right answer is option D, mesosphere. In which layer of atmosphere clouds are formed? Right answer is option A, troposphere. In which year Quit India movement was started? Right answer is option A, 1942. In which year non-cooperation movement was started? Right answer is option C, 1920. In which year civil disobedience movement was started? Right answer is option D, 1930. Who was the President of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the Chairman of the Drafting Committee of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option A, B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the member of the Drafting Committee from Assam? Right answer is option A, Syed Muhammad Shadullah. Which amendment of the Constitution added the word secular in the preamble? Right answer is option A, 42nd Amendment. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research is located in? Right answer is option B, Varanasi. National Rice Research Institute is located in? Right answer is option A, Odisha, Cuttack. Toklai Tea Research Institute is located in? Option D, Jorhat. In which year Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded? And the right answer is option B, in 1917. Which was the first linguistic basis state to be created? And the right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. What was the first capital of Ahom Kingdom in Assam? And the right answer is option B, Choraidev. In which district Jonbil Mela held every year? Right answer is option B, Morigao. Which of the following state of India does not share a border with Assam? Right answer is option D, Sikkim. Who is the current Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? Right answer is option D, N.V. Ramana. Who is the present Chief Election Commissioner of India? Right answer is option B, Sushil Chandra. Which city is called as the Manchester of India? Right answer is option C, Ahmedabad. Which Indian city is called the City of Lakes? Right answer is option A, Udaipur. Konark Sun Temple is located in Odisha. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Right answer is option C, 1919. What is the maximum number of seats in Lok Sabha? Right answer is option C, 552. At present, how many seats are there in Lok Sabha? Right answer is option B, 542. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? 250. सो आज की इस वीडियो में हमने 50 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस का आंसर किया। आपने कितना आंसर सही किया कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइए। और अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो यानी पार्ट 2 में हम 50 और महत्वपूर्ण MCQ लेकर आपके सामने आएंगे।